If you're getting a SketchUp server error like 500.404 or a subscription invalid message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These errors can happen because of connection problems, licensing issues, browser data conflicts, firewall settings, or even a temporary server outage. The good news is, most of the time, you can solve it without reinstalling everything. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you stay updated with more tutorials. Alright, let's start with the quickest and most common fix. Inside SketchUp, go to Help, then choose Sign Out. If you're signed in with your Trimble ID, signing out and signing back in can reset the license and refresh your account connection. Once you sign out, close SketchUp completely, reopen it, and sign back in with the same Trimble ID. In many cases, this alone clears the server or subscription error. If the error is still there, the next thing you should do is check for software updates. Open SketchUp and look for any available update prompt, or visit the official SketchUp updates options from your version. A known issue may already be under investigation, and updating the software can fix compatibility or licensing problems that are causing the server error in the first place. Now let's check whether the problem is on SketchUp's side. Open your browser and go to status.sketchup.com. This status page shows whether SketchUp services are currently experiencing downtime or interruptions. If there's an outage, the issue may not be on your computer at all, and you may just need to wait until the service is restored. If everything looks normal there, continue with the next steps. The next fix is to clear your browser cache and the cookies. SketchUp uses web-based components, so old or corrupted browser data can interfere with sign-in and licensing pages. Open the browser you use most often, go into Settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, restart the browser and try SketchUp again. If you use more than one browser, it's a good idea to clear the cache in the one connected to your SketchUp or Trimble login. After that, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software blocks SketchUp from reaching the servers it needs. Make sure SketchUp is allowed through your firewall, and if your antivirus has any network protection or app blocking features, verify that SketchUp is not being restricted. If needed, temporarily test by disabling the firewall briefly just to see if the error disappears. Then turn it back on and create a proper exception rule. Another thing to check is your internet browser version. If you use Chrome, Edge, or another modern browser for SketchUp's web-based sign-in pages, make sure it is fully updated. An outdated browser can break authentication pages or cause server errors when SketchUp tries to communicate with Trimble services. Update your browser, restart it, and try the sign-in process again. If the problem still hasn't gone away, try flushing your DNS. This can help if your computer is holding onto old network information or bad server records. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Wait for the confirmation message, then restart SketchUp and test again. This is a simple step, but it can solve stubborn connection issues. Finally, try running SketchUp as an administrator. Right-click the SketchUp shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the program the permissions it may need to connect properly, load licensing data, or access the web components it uses. If that works, you can also adjust the shortcut settings so it always opens with admin privileges when needed. So to recap, if you see a SketchUp server error, start by signing out and back in with your Trimble ID, then check for updates, verify the SketchUp status page, clear browser cache and cookies, review firewall and antivirus settings, update your browser, flush your DNS, and run SketchUp as an administrator. One of those steps usually fixes the issue. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and comment below with the exact error message you're seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.